Yes, I know, the world is full of Bluetooth speakers, and sadly, most of these have the worst things in common, like the fact that they don't sound great or look great for the living room, for example. Marshall has been trying to change that for the last couple of years, as design is one thing this company gets right. Back at IFA, the company launched a bevy of smart speakers that weren't just good looking, but also provided fantastic sound and smart enough to connect to Alexa. Today they're showing off some new offerings for those of you looking for a fancy speaker, minus the smart part, along with a new pair of fancy headphones. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's go hands-on. Let's begin with their new line of Bluetooth speakers. Marshall continues with their iconic design provided by the salt and pepper fret, the Marshall logo now in a muted down gold that resembles copper along with a single bar at the bottom providing style, and silicone wraps along the knobs to match the brass. And now the cool part is you can choose from either black or white color options. Those of you looking for power in a small package, the Acton 2 is the one you're looking for. With 30 watts of power, Bluetooth 5 capabilities, a 3.5mm headphone jack for input, and a price to match at $249. The midsize speaker is the Stanmore 2, capable of 50 watts of power, the same design elements, Bluetooth 5, a 3.5mm headphone jack for input, and priced at $350. And then for those of you looking to go all out, there is the Woodburn 2. This is a mammoth speaker at 100 watts of power, the same Bluetooth 5 capabilities, the same 3.5mm headphone jack for input, but the advantage of RCA input for those of you looking to go vinyl. This one is priced at $499, and it is significantly large. The company also showed us their new pair of Minor 2 Bluetooth headphones. They follow on Marshall's stylish design with adaptive wires to serve as wings for your ears for comfort, sort of like the Pixel Buds. We're talking Bluetooth 5 with Qualcomm's aptX, 12 plus hours of battery life, quick charge through micro USB with 20 minutes of charge giving you around 2 hours of battery life. They're also magnetic in case you want to stop using them and wear them around your neck. And probably my favorite stylish feature is this joystick that serves to control music and audio. These come in black, brown, and white color options and are retailing for $129, which I find to be crazy. And yes, I know, I wish that I had the good news that Marshall is doing another smartphone because I really loved the previous one, but sadly that didn't happen. I will tell you this much, I really do like these speakers. They're stylish enough to fit in your living room, and I think that they chose the perfect venue to show them off. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.